Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm making Chow Fun, which is rice noodle. And I've showed you how to make pad thai and also chow mein. But the difference is in chow mein. Chow means, as I said before, chow means to fry. Min is wheat noodles, the brown ones. So this is chow fun. So it's fried rice noodle. So the rice noodle looks like this. It comes in different forms, but I bought this from Chinatown in a package like this. It's about 2 pounds, and they're kind of all stuck together, but they were wound up like this, so I had to cut the ends so that they won't be so long. So I kind of tried to loosen it up as much as I could. And the ingredients, I'm going to turn on the stove because we need it kind of hot. So the ingredients are Char Siu, and I'll put this in the link because I showed in another video how to do this. And this is lap chong. Lap chong is a Chinese sweet sausage. And it comes in a package like this. Chinese style sausage, product of USA. And this is 1 pound 5 ounces. And the best place to buy it is Costco, because they have 2 packages like this for about $11.49. If you go to Chinatown and you just buy a 1 pound, or sometimes they have a 12-ounce package, it costs about $4 something. So this is well worth the price, and you don't have to refrigerate it until you open it. So what I've done is the sausages look like this. They're stuck together. You can loosen it, and then I just cut it with the shears, the kitchen shears. And then what I did was I put it in a pot, covered it with water, and cooked it. When it boiled, cooked it for about 5-10 minutes. And after that I took it out and I sliced it diagonally. You can cut it any way you want. So the other ingredients are green onions. I have here some sugar snap peas, but you can use Chinese peas, and some head cabbage, maybe about 3 cups, and then some shredded carrots, which I use my shredder for it. And then of course I have mung bean sprouts. So these are all the ingredients. So now that you see it's steaming hot, so you want about 2 tablespoons of oil in here. And then I just swish it around. And again, this is a fast dish to make, and you can put other vegetables, but this is what I have today. So first of all, I'm going to put in, let's see, probably the peas take longer, so I'll put that in first. And you can put some garlic, but I didn't today. So this is all stir fried. It cooks very fast. Because the wok is hot, it cooks fast, and you don't want the veggies all soggy, so you want it a little crisp. So I think this is enough because I've cut them diagonally to cook fast. Now I'm going to put the cabbage in. And everybody does it differently. You don't have to use the same kind of veggies or meat. You can make this vegetarian. You can you can make it with chicken or just plain pork that you stir fry. So very versatile. And this will feed a lot of people. And this won't take very long either. As soon as it kind of wilts, then I'll add the carrots. And the carrots have been shredded fine with my shredder, so it won't take long to cook. See, it's kind of wilting, just about there. And now I'm going to add the carrots. And with the wok, you need high heat so it cooks fast. And I know in the other video we used a very big wok, but this is not that many ingredients, so I'm using this particular wok. And if you don't have a wok, you can use a large frying pan or a large pot. It's okay. But Chinese like to use the wok. It's very versatile. See, it makes it very colorful too. Okay, now I'm going to add the meat. Char Siu. And again, remember, this is Char Siu that I made, and I usually, when I make it, I wrap it up individually in plastic wrap and then put it in a ziploc bag and freeze it. So today I just took out a couple pieces and I cut it up. And Char Siu, if you make it yourself, you save a lot of money, because if you were to buy it in the store, it costs about $13 or more a pound. Whereas if you buy the pork butt on sale and make it, it is about 99 cents a pound. So you can make a lot and freeze it. And everybody loves Char Siu. Okay, now I made a well in the center, and I'm going to put the lap chung in it. About 6 sausages in here, more or less, whatever you like. So everything is, the meats are already pre-cooked, so all you have to do is heat it up. See, all the vegetables are really getting soft now. That's why I said you don't need to cook it very long. Okay, now I'm going to add the noodles. This is 2 pounds of what they call Wok I. Now, if you were in Hawaii, in Chinatown, there is one Wok I factory. There's some smaller ones, but the most famous one is on Kekaliki's Mall, and they sell this fresh, and you can buy it there. But here, there's no factory, so I guess these come from California. Some of the Chinese people make it there. And if you buy this from the store, you can keep the noodles unopened for about a couple of days. Just give it a good mix. See, good thing I cut it, because otherwise they'd be about 1.5 feet long. So this way it's about maybe 8 inches or so. It's more manageable to eat. So here in Vegas, you can get almost all the Oriental products. You just have to know where to go, which stores to shop at. So I'm always looking around, checking it out. Okay, now I'm going to add a package of bean sprouts, and it says it's about 9 ounces. And bean sprouts will shrink a lot. So you think that, where are the bean sprouts? You can hardly find them. So if you want more, you can add more bean sprouts. I'm gonna pour some oyster sauce in here. And you can eyeball it, you know. And then about a tablespoon of sesame oil. And some black pepper. Chinese like to use white pepper because I guess it doesn't have the color and make your stuff look black. But today I'm just using regular black pepper, maybe a teaspoon or so. Mix it up again. And we're almost there. And you can adjust it to your taste. If you want it saltier, you can add more or less. Well, this pan is just right. I wasn't sure if it'll be too small, but perfect. And add in the green onions. And if you have cilantro, you can also put that in, but I didn't put it today. So that's why I said when you stir fry, it's no exact formula. You add what you like, whatever your taste is. Okay, so let's try a little bit. Lapchon, Char Siu, some of the veggies, and the noodles. So wasn't this easy? It only took what? 10-15 minutes at the most. Like I said, Chinese food is easy to make, but the preparation is hard. Okay, let's see. Okay. So this will serve, I don't know, maybe about 4 to 6 people. This is how it is. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that button, subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have any requests, please let me know, because in the past we've been doing some requests that people have asked for. So in time I will get to all the requests. Thank you so much for watching. Mahalo.